What is up, everybody? I am back with another video. This is going to be an animal company update video. As you can see, there's a lot of new things, along with revamps and things being removed, such as the daily challenges board and Armstrong Cave. Now, we do have a slight problem because I played this before on an earlier recording. Actually, I did it 3 times. 3 different times. Every single time, it just did not work. So I have no idea what's going on. I have no idea what's not working. But now I'll be sure to check it a lot over time, because I'd usually get finished with a certain section and then I check it and I wasn't recording it all that time. And I know for a fact I pressed record. Anyway, I basically seen the entire place by now. Since I've already seen everything. But anyway, let's get right into the video. So, from this update, I can say that there have been some new things that have been added, such as like a tutorial or like a new way to figure out what to do. There's new items. There's new cosmetics. There's new bundles. There's the tiger bundle. Or no, not tiger bundle, it's just a tiger skin. There's the celestial celebration pack. There's a red envelope pack. There's just a lot of new things. So yeah, but this is the main part of the video, because right now I'm going to explain everything new. Not everything. Well, yeah, that is some new stuff, but I'm gonna explore the mines. I'll show you where everything else is, and I'll show you something that my friend told me about in sewers. Anyway, in the tech tree there are some other new things, such as a quiver. A quiver, which carries many arrows, can be equipped onto your hip or back. There's Rocket Dragon RPG, which is for ultimate destruction with style. There is an arrow. There's a light bulb arrow. There's the protective bone shield. There's sticky dynamite. There are bones. There are arm bones. There's a golden pickaxe. And there's hip slots, which are actually pretty sick because you can equip things onto your hip. I'm actually grinding for those at the moment, and I have no idea where the heck did my crossbow go? Is it not on my back? Freak. Man. Oh. I pay money for that. Okay, anyway. Guess I gotta get some more. Here we go. See, this is the best life hack that you could use. Like, there's a light. If you get a light and turn it on and put it on your crossbow, then put the crossbow on your back, you basically just have a light source. Now, once you get a hip holster or hip equipment, you can store it on your sides. Anyway, let's get into the mining section. So first up, we have copper. Now, copper is like with pickaxes. I don't know what it is for anything else, but basically, there's a really small chance that it gives you some company. So, like, if you mine it a lot, it'll give you company coins. You can also sell these for some money. I don't know how much specifically, but there's a chance you get bigger pieces, there's a chance you get smaller pieces. But yeah, if you mine enough, you'll see that nuts will just fly into your watch like they do whenever you sell something in the selling machine. And there's also a new entity. It's that spider thing right there. It usually comes for you whenever it sees you or whenever it touches whenever you touch its web. And basically, what's really cool about it is the fact that whenever it kills you, it takes your body and attaches it to its mouth until it dies. Now, if you throw a grenade or something like that at stuff, then you will get some money. So next up we have silver. Now what silver is basically just copper, except you get silver, and there's a higher chance of getting not company coins, nuts. So yeah, I just got some. Anyway, moving on to the next one, we have the purple shards, which have a chance to give you resource points, but it's a small chance. It's a pretty small chance, not even joking. But these can also get you company coins, which are like the little coins you use for buying cosmetics, and it's a pretty good thing to farm. I'm against two things at the moment. I can't talk right now. Okay. Oh my god. I'll use this for later. Okay. Okay. Whew. That was hard. Anyway. Let's move on to the next area. Now, there's like 2 different levels, I'm pretty sure, after this one. I wouldn't necessarily call it levels as in like a game, but levels of elevation, like the way down. But here's the first like big area down. You can also, if you get down and you don't know how to get back up, you can just grab one of these and it will ride you back up. But anyway, there's nothing back there. Nothing much back there. I'm gonna just go down now to this place. I'm gonna look for the next, ore, or crystals. By the way, there's no fall damage in this game if you don't know that already. Usually you would find the next ore in this area. Nope, I ain't going in there. I hear a spider, and I'm one shot. So there's a lot you can find in this area. But once you fall all the way to the ground, I'm gonna get to a different section where there's a lot more in this place where the danger sign is. But there's also a spider down here as well. Okay, this isn't the ore. This isn't the gem thing that I was looking for, but it is one thing. So you see how the shards look like that, but this looks a little bit more darker purple and round? Well, that's because this is a box gem, something like that. And I call it that because when you break it, you get a box. Yeah, so I'm gonna bomb this place real quick. Actually, no, I'm gonna save that. Anyway, here's the next one where the gold, there's a guaranteed chance to get nuts, and there's a chance to get company coins. So yeah. I wouldn't go down there. Probably not gonna go down there. Also, another thing that was strange. The death explosion. If you played this game OG, then you would know that there was a death explosion whenever you killed something, where there'd just be like 5 meat pieces that would just explode or fall around and disappear. Well, they changed that. Now it's like bones and chicken, turkey leg. It's like the meat, except instead it's just that. But once you come down here, the only place to go is down this danger path. I think I got enough to deal with the spider. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I didn't know you could come up here. It's also pretty fast, so you might want to be careful whenever you're fighting it. Oh my gosh. I didn't know it was that fast though. Oh my gosh. If I would have known he could come up here, I would have probably ran. And we have a nuclear bomb. I think I'm gonna look for an area that's filled with ow, purple shards or gold. That way I can explode it. Anyway, let's move on to the next section. Hopefully we can find the final orb. I meant not orb, but gem in here. And I'm pretty sure this section is the place where they replace the Armstrong Cave with, because Armstrong is down here. So Armstrong Cave is an OG thing now. Because Armstrong Cave basically doesn't exist anymore. But we'll get into all the anglerfish and chicken stuff later. But for now, we're going to look for all this other stuff. I see the section that I want to bomb, and I fell. Perfect. I need to get back up this way. Look up here. By the way, this area is basically pitch black if you're not. Bleh. This place is pitch black if you don't have a flashlight. The only thing that's lighting this place are the minerals. I need to get up there, but I have my hands full right now and I don't have a backpack. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I know. Well, actually. I'll do this. We'll leave that there. I missed it. Hopefully this thing doesn't glitch out and make me go down. Thank goodness it didn't do that. But usually there's like a glitch where it makes me go down no matter what. There's a place I need to be. Okay. Just. Now as that's going off, I'm gonna jump down here and wait for the money to come in. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. Actually, it wasn't that much, but still. At least I got some stuff. Okay, I'm on the last layer. There's basically nothing down here that you can mine. So basically, once you get down this area, there's nothing else to do. I'm gonna go down this way. This is the place where... yeah, this is the place where Armstrong usually is. I think. By the way, you can also grab on the things in mining. That way, if you're like in the air, if it's like right on the ceiling, you jump up and grab it. haunted house still exists, along with the other maps, chicken, and anglerfish. But Armstrong Cave does not exist. I have not found it yet. Anyway, we're on our final gym or it's covered by everything else, but it's usually surrounded by gold, not by silver or other gems like that. But this green one, it makes the rift noise, so you probably know what it is. I'm trying my best not to mine it. Trying to show it. But anyway, this is the rift ore, or what I like to call it is the rift ore. Basically what it does is when you hit it, it teleports you back. Now, I'm gonna go get this gold before I get out of here and show you what else is around the map. But yeah, that's basically everything you need to know. Anyway, now whenever you mine this, it doesn't really do anything, it just teleports back. Unless they updated it just recently. Yep, and there you go. It teleports you right back. It's like a little teleporter, so if you can't find your way out, you use that to teleport. Anyway, moving on to the next topic. Everything else in the map. Now, as I said, I'm pretty sure, since I haven't found it yet, I'm pretty sure they removed daily challenges for now and replaced it with the Tiger Bundle, which I have no idea why they replaced it with the Tiger Bundle. I guess advertisement. But why would you remove daily challenges for advertisement? Also, you're probably wondering why I'm going this way. That is because if you look farther down this area, you'll notice that the wall has disappeared. There's a glitch trip mine right there. The wall has disappeared and has been opened up. This, my friends, is where you find everything else. There's a broken wall right there. I'm pretty sure that's the way to get out the map if you want to. Yep, that's too glitchy for me, so I'm not gonna go there. Anyway, down here, Anglerfish Cave. I'm pretty sure if Armstrong still exists, it's probably down there. I haven't checked it out yet, but the only thing I've found down there is Haunted Mansion. And you also have the chicken. So basically, they moved everything on this side to that side and to over here. So, and I already checked over there, there's nothing. Or nothing much. Just a mountain. If they haven't updated it yet, because there's been 2 updates. So why would it be there? I thought those were just bug fixes, but yep, it looks they're just bug fixes. And the glitch out of the map thing hasn't been done yet, fixed yet, surprisingly. Anyway, let's move on down to sewers. So, if you don't know who Chase is, he's the person that usually joins the code while I'm recording videos. Anyway, he said something about sewers being different, so I'm gonna go check it out. I have not seen this yet. This is the one thing about the update I have not seen. So I'm gonna just go check it. So everything looks normal for now. What the heck is that? What the heck is this? Whoa. Oh, that gives me random stuff whenever I mine it. So there's new minerals. There's minerals down here as well. It just kind of shows you whenever I mine it. So like, for example, this would probably be either a whoopee cushion, nuts, or a plunger. It was a Coca-Cola can. So I guess not. It's not what I think it is. Anyway, mine all this. Ooh, what is that? Oh, that's just statue. Anyway, let's mine this. Oh, this is one shot, and it guaranteedly gives you nuts. Oh. This also sometimes gives you nuts. That's such a cool though. So I'm gonna just and keep going. Ooh, there's some purple stuff over there. Is that the research? Okay, that's the research stuff. Can I stand on that still? Oh, freak, I might be cooked. I might need to kill the... I think I might need to kill this dude real quick. Okay, he's good. He's cool. He's dead. Okay, anyway. I'm gonna throw this up there. Okay. Did I get any? I didn't get nothing. Didn't get nothing. You need to be careful for those. Whatchamacallums. Good thing about these is because they're spawning on babies, so you can stand on them whenever you suck at parkour and you can't jump over this like I can. I'm not talking to everybody, I'm just talking to people that are new to the game. Okay. You see what I mean? You see what I mean? See, the particles don't just like... Okay, I got a flashbang, but I already have this. Throw that in there. There we go. Kill this dude. Not hit once. I got a nuclear bomb. Mambo. I wish I could like set this off somewhere without just straight up hitting it. Just throw that over there real quick so I'm accidentally trying to hit stuff at the moment. Oh my gosh. That is a lot. Okay. Okay, let's go down here now. Doesn't look like there's anything new down here. I'm gonna try to go to the foundation and see if there's anything new. Okay, I made that. Oh, I see some green. Green means what's it called? Green means mining. Nah, bro. How do you think I'm supposed to get that? Unless it's... Oh my gosh! I forgot about that person. Since old lady is back here, I probably cannot do anything with a flashlight. But it's not that big of a deal. Yo! I got this from. I'm gonna make it jump in the pit. Hold up. Can I make it jump in the pit? Come on, come on, come on, man. I didn't know I could do that. I actually did not know I could do that. But using grenades to take this stuff is actually sick. Oh, I see. It's like green shards that do this. That give you a chance to mine this. Also, where the heck is the exit? Only thing that's lighting the way are these. Yeah. Okay. I wonder if there's any minerals down here. I don't know. It's probably just the green minerals. But imagine blue minerals. Blue minerals would be sick. Look. Here we go. It's kind of just sitting there. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of stuff. I think I might want to bring a grenade down here next time. That is a big ol' amount of stuff. Can you not just find like a regular that you don't have to mine? Or did they where it's impossible? Oh yeah, you can also get a ton of company coins from these. There's a high chance, I'm pretty sure. I'm guessing. Yo, there's purple ones as well, I think. That might just be lighting though. Ow. I'm gonna use this one to get out. I'm gonna mine it. Ow, man, I shouldn't have mined that. I just got hit right back in. I don't know if that's new or if that's still the regular research shard. Oh, that wasn't something I was supposed to mine. No! Oh, freak, I'm cooked. Okay, this is what you gotta do. You gotta be really quick with this. There we go. That was good. I'm kind of just doing stuff right now, so I might speed up this. Or you could speed it up if you want to. Oh my gosh. Oh no. I need something to grab onto. There we go. It'd be better if it was on the other side. Oh, freak. I'm cooked. No! I think I'm on it. Keep it on the cuff. Nah, I don't want to do that. It's too risky. Like, some of you physically cannot mine. I need to find my way out of here. Okay, I found the way out. And my controller disconnected at the perfect timing. my controller disconnected when I really needed it to mine the thing, and when it did mine the thing, I'd already let go of it. And I kind of fell. Anyway, I could either play this normally or die instantly. Actually, no. Or I could get research points. I have not gotten any yet. And I don't think you can just get one because why would you only be able to get one daily if there were so many other ones around? Those look a little bit brighter than the other ones. Probably just because of the lighting. I'm just saying lighting over and over again. Anyway, almost time to get out of this place. Is the oh my gosh. They have the purple, they have the crate minerals in this place. Should I go for that? I'm out of here, fool. Man, I got one of the best items. It's a good item, but it's not a good item at the same time. I need to be careful for that, dude. Did I throw it? I should have thrown it at him. Yep. I'm out of here, fool. I'm out of here, fool. Get me out, get me out, get me out, get me out! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that scared me, brother. And I don't have anything to sell at the moment, so I'll call that a day. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I'll try to make more videos often, but too much stuff to do. So yeah, I might make a short with this update. But anyway, have a good day and see you later.